Hey folks, Adam here. We just went off-roading in our 1995 Jeep Wrangler. This thing has some oversized tires. Now, as you know, when you go off-roading, you're going to decrease the tire pressure. The tires still look full, but they're a little softer and they're able to grab the road. But before you're done off-roading, you need to fill those tires back up before you get on concrete so you don't do damage to your tires. That's where this comes in, and I'm going to tell you the secret to filling them up quickly and efficiently. Now, when we first heard about this LASFIT air compressor, I was like, okay, big deal. Then I tried it, and this filled all 4 tires at the same time, thanks to their hose and equipment, but it did it so quick, it was remarkable. So let's go ahead. I'm going to tell you the secrets, and we're going to kick it off right about now. So folks, here's the secret. It comes to us from LASFIT, and this is an air compressor that we can connect directly to our car's battery. And with the right attachments, we can go ahead and we can fill all 4 tires at the same time. Let's go ahead and check it out and kick it off right about now. Folks, step 1 is super simple. We're gonna go ahead and connect this to the battery. We find the positive and negative, and we're gonna start powering up our compressor. Now folks, it's got an easy to read screen. You can adjust the mode easily and efficiently. Kilograms, kPa, bar, or PSI, what we're used to. We can adjust where we want it to be, and power on and off is at a push of a button. So I know what you're thinking. Adam, how are you gonna do all 4 tires at the same time? How are you gonna save us time? I know this is a great compressor. I know it does 150 PSI. I know it's lightweight and space saving and very powerful, and it's strong and sturdy, but how are you gonna do all 4? Well, we have this little kit right here. It's a 4-tire hose kit to where you can run the hose to all 4 tires at the same time. And folks, I do wanna show you how much extra hose we have here. So you'll connect this one right here to the first tire. We'll do that here momentarily. The back tire, we've got plenty of room. So no matter how big the vehicle, we're gonna be able to connect that. And we've got the same setup on each side. The hose just clamps on with high quality fittings. This is a 300 PSI 1/4-inch hose. We're just gonna connect it to all 4 tires, and then we just turn it on. Right front and rear are now connected. Driver's side or left front and rear connected. Let's go ahead and turn her on. All right, folks, now I want to show you in real time how long it took to get these up from about 20 PSI. We're at 20 right now. Get them up to 28. This is a really impressive device, how quickly and efficiently we were able to fill all 4 tires. And yes, we do have all 4 connected at the same time. This thing is absolutely phenomenal. I can see why they wanted me to show everything about it. All right, folks, it's just that easy. We turn it on, it inflates the tires. Matter of minutes, we're back on the road with perfectly inflated tires, not doing any damage, because these tires, if they're underinflated, we could do literally thousands of dollars of damage to the tires alone. All right, folks, so the only thing left is to put the valve stem covers on, and we'll go ahead and we'll roll up the hose, and we'll be back on the highway in no time. So this is perfect for you off-roaders, a tremendous company that has high-quality products that work every single time. It's energy efficient, it works perfectly, the design is absolutely expertise, and these guys are a leader in the industry. I highly recommend them. If this is something that you think you might need, particularly if you're an off-roader, you can put this behind your seat, never have to worry about it, and grab it when you need it. Folks, stick around for the up-close portion of the video for even more. But this is absolutely fantastic. For all you Jeep Wranglers out there, have a great day, and stick around for the up-close portion of the video for even more. Oh yeah. All right, folks, now it's time for our up-close portion of the video where you get to see everything in the video up close and personal as if you just picked it up for yourself. So first and foremost, let's show the air compressor, dual cylinder, 12.35 CFM, 150 PSI. That's incredible. And yeah, this thing is powerful. I love the fact that this is so space saving. we're able to literally replace a permanent fixture in my garage, our air compressor, with this. So we're able to get a lot done. Now, the dual cylinder heavy duty air compressor comes with your hose, very nice, gloves to keep your hands free of grime, safe and clean, and look at this, the clamps to go ahead and connect it to your battery, a very high quality clamp to go ahead and get the connection that you need. Now, it also comes with a very handy dandy travel bag that you can throw in the back of your Jeep, pickup truck, work vehicle, etc. And this is absolutely perfect that it gives you everything for which you need. Yeah, they've just done a great job here. They've even got the tips so you can fill things like pool floats and things of the sort. It says it's the X4 air compressor. Comes with the user manual with all the precautions and everything included, the user guide on how to connect, and yeah, how beautiful, stylish, sophisticated is that? They've just done a great job here giving you everything you need, showing you to wear those gloves. Very smart. Then we also have, moving over to the side just a little bit, it's the 4-tire digital air hose kit. Inflation, deflation, 177-inch wheelbase, 300 PSI max parting, and yeah, they've got everything you need here. Look at that. High quality hose. You know, it's hard to get high quality hose these days, and this is the best. Now, it does come with the carrying bag that you need, all the parts and accessories and accoutrement accompaniments that you need, and yeah, this is really, truly fantastic. Inside the mini carrying bag, the inner bag, you're going to have all of your accessories as well. So they've done a great job here. I'm going to open this up for you so you can see it. Look at that. How cool is that? Pressure going where you need it, when you need it. Well, hanging hook as well. So they've given you everything you need for the outdoor activities that you want to do. I want to zoom in on the fittings here. Look at how high quality these fittings are, so you can take care of your vehicle accordingly. Folks, my name is Adam. We're talking about the best products in all the land. We've experienced this brand now with a variety of portable air compressors, a variety of floor mats and things, accessories and accompaniments for your vehicle. And I gotta say, this dual cylinder air compressor is stylish and sophisticated. It's powerful and chic, and it's one that you're going to want to pick up. It's better than the rest. In fact, it's in a league of its own. Folks, go check it out. You will not be disappointed. I love you. I appreciate you. But it's time to get to shopping. Goodbye, my friends.